Hello everyone, hi, my name is Karishma and today I'll be sharing with you my haul video, which is also my first YouTube video. So today in this video I will be sharing with you my collective haul, all of the things that I got in sale during November till December. Now starting with the Nykaa Pink Friday sale, I will be sharing first with you all the skincare products that I got because there are not much skincare to share with. So starting with the first product, this is the Laneige Cream Skin Refiner. So let me share with you how it looks. See how it looks. So this is supposed to be a toner, but a very moisturizing toner. Like you can spray this, you can use this like dip your cotton pad and swipe this or keep it like a sheet mask, and like this is the best toner I've ever come across. And I bought the full size one. I think this is 150 ml or something, and this is so good. So if you have ever considered buying this, like just get it. It's so amazing. I truly love this one. And second thing is again from Laneige. This is their lip sleeping mask. See, it smells like berries. It's so good. So this is a lip sleeping mask, like you can say a very thick lip balm. It has very thick consistency. So if you're a person who does not like that thick gooey feel on the lips, then you might not like this one. But if you love a thick hydrating lip balm, like you can also go in a little quantity. So yeah, it will still work. It's not just lip sleeping mask, it's like a lip balm. You can wear this during daytime also. So with those two purchases, I got a bunch of free goodies that I would like to share with you guys. So I got a Hydro Essence, which is also a serum but with the water content, more water content. It's nice, actually I've used this. Then I got water sleeping mask and also this few goodies I have got. So yeah, it was amazing deal. Also these products were on discount, like I think 10% or 50%, but 10% 15%, though discount was not that much, but still you get to try all this like bunch of different things from the same brand. That's very cool. Now the third product I would like to share with you is this Clinique moisturizer. It comes in two boxes, two different packaging. One contains of this moisturizer and second has this sort of cartridge. This is separately in this was separate in this box. So what you have to do is you have to insert this cartridge into this moisturizer, and it will dispense the product from these two dispensers. I like this moisturizer. Now this is very hydrating. So if you have dry skin, just you can go ahead and buy this. And also 115 ml is way too much because you just need a pump, like a single pump for your entire face. So you can imagine how much this bottle is gonna last you, how long. So with this moisturizer, actually I got this free product. This is a kit, okay, and you get 3 products in it. So this is a mild cleanser. This is the first thing I got. The second is under eye serum from their Moisture Surge range, and the third thing is their Moisture Surge. And I got how much quantity? 7 ml of product like this. So the next product is from MAC. So from MAC I decided to buy the 3 lip liners from their range, and these are the 3 famous shades. Okay, so this one is Whirl, this is Hover, and this is Spice. I'll show you how they look. The first one is Hover. Hover, Spice and Whirl. I think they look pretty similar on screen maybe, but in real they look little bit different. So on purchase of these 3 lip liners, like all the prices of the products will be on screen or in the description box. So on purchase of these 3 lip liners, I got a full size free product, which is a highlighter. This is the shade I got, like so. This is a pale golden shade. See. Wow. Now this particular highlighter is from their Extra Dimension skin finish range. Now the entire product, the blush, the highlighter, yeah, everything from this range is sort of has a metallic finish to it, and so is this product. Like, this is so famous. The shade name is Whisper of Guilt, and this is such an amazing highlighter. And also, yeah, I forgot to show you, I got this. So this is the stroke cream in pink light, and you get, I think, 7 or 6 ml, so which is nice, like travel size. Wow. See how it looks really nice. This is the Charlotte Tilbury's Airbrush Flawless Finish foundation. Now I got mine in the shade 6 Neutral, which has a warm olive undertones. Like, it says neutral, but she has mentioned on her website that neutral stands for olive for her foundation range. And also, finding the shade match is such a pain, because when you swatch it or when you see the fresh swatch, they all look so similar, but you have to wait for a couple of minutes for them to dry down and oxidize, and then you can find your perfect match. When I was looking for my shade match, I think I wanted to buy 5.5 Neutral, but that's not available in India, so that's why I got 6 Neutral. I am pretty much happy with the match. Now coming to how this performs, though it is a matte foundation with full coverage and long lasting, actually it lasts really long, but still it just sits beautifully on your skin and looks so beautiful in real and also in pictures. If you want to invest in some high-end foundation, then you can definitely go and check this one out. This is so pretty, like amazing. Only if you're lucky enough to find your shade match. Other than that, I don't think so I have any other complaint, and I can't complain about the price, cause there are other high-end brands with the similar price range. So yeah. The second thing is the most raved about. This is the Hollywood Flawless Filter. So what exactly this product is? This is a primer. Charlotte describes this product as a primer which you are supposed to apply before your foundation, or you can mix it with your foundation, or you can apply after your foundation on the high points, like a illuminator sort of a thing. So it does actually illuminates your skin, like it gives you that lit from within type of glow, and your skin just glows, like it gives you that healthy look. And it also changes the texture of your foundation. Like, even though if you apply this on top of your foundation, it just looks absolutely beautiful. Now this comes in bunch of different shades, and I got mine in the shade 4. If you don't want, you know, like coverage or any tint in it, you can go with the lightest shade. Or if you want to replace your foundation with something lightweight, then you can get this one. But keep that in mind, this will not hide any, you know, that marks or any acne scars or anything, like any sort of texture on your skin. This is not gonna hide any texture on your skin. You will need something else for that, but this will just, you know, sort of a BB cream with a lot of luminosity and something like that. So it's quite a versatile product. And next are the blushes. So I got mine in the shade, this one is Love Glow, which is pink, and this one is Ecstasy, which is peachy. Okay, so if you are someone, if you don't want to spend that much of money on just blushes, then you can skip this. And if you want dupe, then the similar to this one are the Milani baked blushes. The formula are quite similar. That one has little bit more sheen and more coverage, I can say coverage or pigment in it, but this one is subtle, and also it looks glowing, healthy, like not shimmery on metallic. This is less subtle than the Milani one, and I absolutely love this one. So if you are, but the thing is that there are not much shades available, especially for the deeper skin tones, which is not a good thing. But the formulation wise, if you want to know, then I love this one, and this is pretty actually. And last thing is this lip cheat. This is how the outer packaging looks, and this is how the lip liner looks. I'll show you how this swatches. Okay, warm brown, like this is warm brown sort of undertone. It looks so pretty. absolutely love this one. This is like so similar to the Huda's lip contour, and if you want my review, then you can skip this one and you can buy Huda's lip contour. And there are so many, she has actually so many better shade. Her shade range is more amazing than the Charlotte Tilbury one, so you can buy Huda's lip contour. And the formula wise, they both are so similar, but this one is little bit overly priced. So I made 2 purchases, that's why I got 2 Pillow Talks over here. The 2 Pillow Talk lipsticks, okay, mini size. And let me just swatch this one for you and see how this looks. So this lipstick actually reminds me of MAC's Velvet Teddy for quite some reason, but that one is little bit more neutral and has more warm like brown undertones, and this one has little bit more pink undertones, but they are similar. Like I feel they are similar, especially on lips. You can't really tell if you have Charlotte Tilbury or the MAC lipstick on your lips. Yeah, that's all for the Charlotte Tilbury, and that's all for the Nykaa. Next product is from Stila. So next product is from Stila. Now Sephora had this 50 to 60% off on Stila and Cover FX and some other brands as well. So I grabbed couple of things from Stila, and the first product is their Heaven's Hue highlighter. Now let me show this to you. See, this is how the highlighter looks like. Like if you're wondering why there are my finger impressions on this product, because when it arrived it was broken and popping out of the pan, but when I saw on the website it was already out of stock. Yeah, it means this was the last product. That's why I didn't thought of replacing it, and I just fixed it on my own. And it's very easy to fix because, you know, it's this product is putty type of product. Like you can see it, you can press this and yeah, it feels cream, and then when you apply this, it applies as a powder, and this is how the shade Kitten looks like. It has a champagne-y, peachy sort of a look, but yeah, this is in the shade Kitten, and it's so pretty. I love this one. Next I got a foundation from Stila. This is their Hide and Chic foundation. So this foundation didn't have that much reviews online, so it was difficult to figure out like whether I should buy this or not. This is how the packaging looks from inside. See, it's pretty actually. It's so beautiful. I love the packaging. Yeah. Now I got mine in the shade medium 3. Now this foundation, actually I was very much skeptical to buy this because this one didn't have that much of reviews available online, but the couple of them were saying yeah, it's nice, but it is mostly for dry skin or mature skin, and I can see why, because the foundation is very liquidy and runny in texture. So if you have oily skin, this might be not for you, but if you have dry skin or mature skin, this will look amazing. And if you can hear the sound, you see it's very liquidy. Yeah, so it's nice. I love this one. And the third thing is the glitter trio. This is how the glitters look from inside. You get the 3 mini size. The shade is Rocking Rose, Bronze Girl and Golden Eye. And yep, the first shade is Rocking Rose. This is Rocking Rose. Bronze Girl. And Golden Eye. This is how they look. This is Rocking Rose, Bronze Girl and Golden Eye. Okay, so the next products are from purple.com. Yeah, there are few products which are just from Milani, because I wanted to do a full face of Milani, and yep, that's why I bought just the Milani products from Purplle. So the first product is the Milani Soft Focus Glow. Now this is actually an amazing product. Like, I have a habit of swatching things as soon as they arrive, and yeah, and when I swatched this, actually this is a very close, you know, dupe for even the Becca's backlight priming filter, and also some people say this is the dupe for Charlotte Tilbury's Hollywood Flawless filter, but I don't think so it comes that close to that product, but this is so similar to the Becca one. And yeah, and also for the price you get, for I think 3000 you get the Becca's backlight priming filter, and for just around 1500, but you can always get this on discount. Purplle has all this amazing discount on Milani every time, I think most of the time. That's why I buy usually Milani products from Purplle. And yeah, so for you get 45 grams for 1500, but I'm sure I got this on 40% off. And yeah, this is how the product looks like. See, I couldn't find the Becca's dupe because Becca is so hydrating, and when I came across this product I was like, but Becca smells amazing, and this just smells like, you know, little bit chemical, but not that harsh. But yeah, but this is so similar. See, it's so pretty. I love this one. And next I got these two concealers. Now I've seen so many people talking about this concealers. Yeah, so these are the two concealers I got. The darker one is in pure beige, and light one, this is in pure beige. The number is 140 for hiding the under eye circles and, you know, pigmentation of the skin. Yep, so that's why I always, whenever I have to try concealer from new brand, I always get two concealers, one like one shade darker and one or two shades lighter, just to highlight, so that I can see how they both work well. And this is the lighter one, okay, and I'll show you how they look when I swatch them. This is light vanilla, and this is pure beige. This has yellow undertones, which is so good for highlighting, and this is pure beige for correcting your under eye dark circles. Now the texture of these concealers are so beautiful. Like, I really like this concealer, you know, and I am waiting to try this in one of my tutorials, but so far I really like the color and the formula of this one. And the last two products are for the lipsticks. This is the Amore matte lipstick. These are the two lipsticks. Okay, so the red one is in the shade Amore or Amore, I don't know what you call it as, but yeah, this is a pretty red shade. Wow, I don't have a liquid red in my collection, and that's why I got a red one this time. So this is Amore, and yeah, this is, I think, the shade Gorgeous. Like, this is actually gorgeous shade. This is Gorgeous, and this is Amore. This is red color, and this is sort of a pink, berry sort of pink. See, but the only con I could find in these lipsticks are that they are a little bit drying. So either you apply a very thin layer or a very nice moisturizer underneath, and they stain very much. Like, see, yeah, they stain very much, but that's okay for me. I have other lipsticks as well which stain badly. So the next product I got is from the Kingdom of Lashes. Yeah, see, and yeah, this is a big box, but there are just two cute products in this. These are their glitters, and look at the packaging, so cute. This is gold glitz. Okay, this is the first glitter that I got, and for the second one, this is Black Beauty. This is a black glitter. Now I always wanted a black glitter in my collection, and yeah, just because of a black glitter I ended up buying one from the pack which was not black. Actually it was a gunmetal sort of shade, and yeah, luckily Kingdom of Lashes has one, and this is actually pretty cute. Like, if you want black glitter in your collection, then definitely check this one out. And I also got a palette from them, from Kingdom of Lashes. Look how beautiful the packaging is. Okay, and the shades are even more beautiful. I got this one along with those glitters, and can you see so many textures? Like, see, this is the like glitzy gold, that sort of a textured glitter. Then the red and the pink and the golden, they all look so beautiful. Like, see, oh my goodness, so pretty. Wow. And also the formula is so amazing. Like, I always wanted a drugstore brand, but I was so scared to invest in one, because for that price you could buy a high-end brand and get so many shades to use. But Kingdom of Lashes, they just so amazing. Like, I was so skeptical to buy, but when I bought and just tried it, I was like totally in love with this palette. So if you want my, you know, review, like, I would highly suggest to buy this palette. This is so pretty. With that, we are done with today's video, and if you guys had fun watching it, then please leave a like and subscribe before you leave. Also mention in the comment section below what all products you got and you liked, so that I can add that to my wish list. And yeah, I hope to see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.